Welcome. In this video, we shall talk about HTML attributes. Attributes are extra information added to HTML tags that tell the browser how to display or handle an element. For example, when you insert an image, you need to give it a source. That's done with an attribute. Attributes are written inside the opening tag and have two parts, a name and a value. For example, in ing tag, src include /photo.jpg. The attribute is src and its value is photo.jpg. Attribute help customize elements like setting color, links, size, or text alignment. Think of an attribute as instruction on a parcel. The box is your HTML element, but the label delivered to John's second floor is the attribute. It tells how and where it should go. Here the simple example. A tag inside href include the links https:/example.com and its various widget site. A is the tag and href is the attribute telling the link where to go. And that how attribute make HTML element useful.